just got off the Blizzard Viva 8.0. It's a new ski in their collection this year. I give it 5 out of 5 stars. What I really like about this ski, it's 80 underfoot, so it's nice versatile waist width. You can ski it on the groomers, you can ski it in a little bit of softer snow. It's got a rocker tip, so it will float through some powder, and that also makes the ski really easy to initiate. Based on the construction of this ski, is really designed for an advanced level woman. If you really want to push this ski, it will make great short snappy turns. If you want to ease up and let the ski ride a little bit, it does hold really well at speed. You notice that the tip will chatter just a little bit when you get going very high speeds, but that's actually in front of the rocker point. So the ski is holding really well, really solid edge grip. It's just everything ahead of the contact point does tend to chatter, but that happens with pretty much every rocker ski.